right here, we're just gonna remove the tailgate so that way I can get access to the bottom of that quarter panel. Front one's already gotten out. The side here, most of it's already separated, so just at this point, fine details, and we're gonna get that sucker off. All right, so we just removed that rear bumper so I can get the rest of that sheet metal down there. Just kind of wanted to point out, so this is the rear sill right here. Kind of connects like the rear, and I think it's a mounting point for the bed, for the sheet metal on the bed. And look at that. That thing is like waffling up, whatever the hell you want to call it, layering up rust. So I did know about the ones in the corner here. You can see it's kind of Swiss cheesing a little bit. Other side, that's very good time. Right there, you know, it's very apparent. So I think it, honestly, knowing my future self, it'd probably be better to just get this as a new whole thing in the rear. Other than that though, everything else is like really solid, you know, good bit of surface rust, but this is really thick sheet metal. This looks like it's part of the frame. So that does make me feel pretty good to see. So let's just keep going. All right, y'all, so just quick, after about almost 2 hours, we're finally nearly done with that rear panel. It's so close. I got a lot of that skin kind of peeled up, ready to be disconnected. That spare tire hinge, oh my God, I don't have any drill bits here. I don't have an air hammer here, so we're just doing basically the most ghetto auto body type of work here. It's getting done though, so that's all that matters. I feel like a caveman, but hey, let's just take a look. I'll show y'all. So here were the hinges, you can see right there. I mean, it is real gnarled up, but I've been going at it with a chisel. I tried using a little bit of an angle grinder. I don't have any discs today. I might run to the store tomorrow for that, but you can see them. They got riveted on really good. The bottom one I was able to get off decently. I took a lot of time with the hammer and some crowbarring, chiseling, but that one did come off pretty nice. Still got a little bit of sheet metal here, but other than that, I mean, let's look. That's off, and then you can see the progress I got there. You know, I just kind of started to peel the skin off of that inside, and it's getting really good. So really close here, guys. I'm getting super stoked. I just got this little segment left, and then after that, of course, we gotta separate the kind of the bracket, we'll call it, from the actual skin. And then honestly, after that, we'll just kind of make our small cuts like we did with the other side, and then just pop the son of a bitch off, because here too, it's all done already. You can see it's just a lot of good room. So I'm stoked. Let's keep going. We're almost there. Welcome back. This is the 4th final day. We're real close to ripping that panel off. I'm ready. Let's do it. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead. All I got left is just peeling that skin back here, and then I want to come in. There's some kind of rivets from behind. I don't got any drill bits on me, so we're just gonna go in there and go get that sucker off. That one's already been done last night, and after that, we just gotta come right over here, get this separated very gently, because I don't want to ruin this upper almost triangle shape. And then probably get that 2x4, put it on its side, top her up a little bit more, and just kind of gradually, very gently cut off where I need to, and then Pop it off. I'm doing this very primitively. I wish I had an air hammer. Here, I got one at work, but I don't got no compressor. Otherwise, I would just taken that and go right off. So I'm using what I got. Very, very basic tools. If I can do it, y'all can do it. Got it separated. There we go. Yeah, that's what I was fighting. It wasn't like that on the other side because this bracket, if you will, it attaches on the inside all right up here. So that's gonna be rather fun putting on the new guy and then going from there. But hey, that's the biggest piece. Oh, little sneak peek. Yeah, no, that was the biggest piece. Now I just gotta come up here, get this skin peeled off like a little frickin' crust on the sandwich. After that, oh, okay. That was, okay. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead, get all that off, and finally be on the road to peeling it off and seeing what kind of goodies we get. Okay, so I got a 2x4 holding the topper up, bungee cord, so it's not the craziest play. I only need to hold it up just a little bit, just to cut here, there. Looks like there's some old weather stripping. Take all that stuff off. We'll just separate anything. Looks like I see it. It's hard to tell, but there's that soft seam line covered up by the old seam sealer. So we'll get that all sorted out. You know, these are my Harbor Freight hammers, and honestly, I think they've held up excellent. I beat the hell out of them all the time. Then again, though, I've never had, you know, them nicer body hammers, but these things have taken some serious abuse, and they're holding up swell. I haven't had any issues of them breaking off or cracking at the anywhere on them. How I like them. Oh shit. Yeah, there's that little weather strip bracket there. I mean, worst case, I'm just gonna frickin' fabricate a new one. Nothing crazier than just a tiny piece of sheet metal. So, the reason we went ahead and cut that is because I remember last time, when I pulled it off, there was actually like a few spot welds, probably like 3 or so. So I wanted to just get those out of the way. Or if they didn't get out of the way, then I know for that I know for just knowledge purposes. But yeah, you can actually see right there There's a little bit of where it's still connected, so we'll go back with that chisel and just chop it off. Just to really help prevent any deformation of that good piece yet. And here, I don't know if you guys saw it, but it was starting to rise up, so I'm gonna stop, go from the other side, and work my way again. So I would hate for this to eat up into the triangle. Put it back. We should be able to get that just fine. Oh, we're close. Just don't got a long enough of a disc, and I will run to the store if I have to, but let's just take a quick peek. Nice, we have good separation. It looks like that bottom kind of edge, we'll call it, it did. You can see that right there. So that's good, we didn't get any deformation. On the other side, I did deform it a little bit. Nothing Bondo can't fix, right? Right? Might just be sketch. See, there is a little piece here I want to just cut with the angle grinder. I'll cut that right there. I know. There we go. So, rear's off there. I'm already liking what I see. And then, yeah, I'm guessing that seam we can see just a little bit of flex. Looks like it is connected with that seam. On the other side, I just kind of butchered it. So this time I kind of want to see where the actual lines follow. So I think we can just get in with our little angle bit here, separate that plate off, and then honestly I might as well just cut off that little weather strip. I'm just gonna refab it on. I'd rather cut off little bits at a time. Didn't realize I just ate through the whole freaking thing. Like, oh my god, no! Yeah, she's about off here, folks. Voila! Hell yeah, that's what's up. We'll go ahead, we'll repurpose this. I still love the sheet metal like here, bits of here and there. We'll repurpose all of this because it's always kind of nice to throw back in what once was. So, yeah, let's just take a peek here at all we've done and let's go through our analysis and our conclusions. All right, guys, so as you can see in that last clip right there, finally got everything all done. I'm excited as hell to jump right in. And I cannot wait to start going at it, and we're just gonna have a blast getting this thing all fixed up. This side is definitely a bigger surprise than the driver's side was. So it'll give me a lot of things to do here and everything. Honestly, I'm not shocked, but I'm surprised. So let's just jump right into it. I'll let the camera do the talking and you guys will see with your own eyes. So let's take a look.
And that wraps up today's video, guys. Thanks a whole ton for sticking around for that one. What an amazing journey we had together. Can I just say that right now? Starting from the front to the rear, getting all of that stuff off, it was a process. Many thanks to Riley for helping me out with that one. I'm glad I did it this way because on the other one, the driver's side, I only did bits and pieces, so I was a lot of back and forth. It took so much longer than it really should have. So with this one, with it all being done up, all off right now, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna make it a lot quicker, a lot more efficient, a lot easier to move around and everything too. So that I'm really, really happy we did go along with and doing. I cannot wait for the challenges that are gonna be coming up. I cannot wait for the fun we're gonna have, the content you guys are gonna be able to see, and it's just gonna be a blast all around. This thing is gonna turn out so nice, and I'm gonna be blown away myself. So I can't wait. I can't wait for it. So have an amazing day, guys. Thanks once again for sticking around. I'll see y'all in the next one.